Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the world of countertop ice makers. Today, we're putting two popular models to the test, the HiCOZY and the Sweetcrispy. Both promise quick ice production, but which one truly delivers? We'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the HiCOZY ice maker is priced at $99, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy model is available for just $79.99, offering a more budget-friendly choice for consumers. This price difference could be a significant factor for those looking to save on their purchase. Portability is another important aspect to consider. The HiCOZY model features an integrated handle, making it easy to transport between locations like your kitchen, RV, or office. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy lacks a dedicated handle, which may make it less convenient for users who need to move it frequently. Speed is crucial for ice makers, and here we see a slight edge for the Sweetcrispy model. It produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the HiCOZY takes between 6 to 8 minutes for its first batch. If quick ice production is a priority for you, the Sweetcrispy may be the better option. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The HiCOZY offers a robust design with a handle and self-cleaning feature, while the Sweetcrispy provides a faster ice production time at a lower price. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.